Happy Thursday. You always, every time I video you always come towards me. You make it very difficult, my guy. Hey, happy Thursday. It is 70 degrees outside almost, and it feels very nice. We're going to be outside hopefully a lot today. We got some trees to cut with Grandpap, and just going to hang out, right? All right.
Good morning, doggo. Good morning. You're very cute. Guys, I am taking Ricky down to my mom's neighborhood, which is like 2 minutes away, to take a nice stroll with his BFF Riley, which is my mom's dog. So it'll be fun. Ricky, are you excited? Yes. Guys, play with each other. Hi, Riley.
Give Ricky kisses. Give him not down there. Give him kisses. He's just like a boo. Ricky, feed him. Ricky, get him. Get him, Ricky. Get him.
Hi, guys.
He's a poop head. Get him, Ricky.
Hi.
Goofus.
You're a good boy.
Can't be tired already. We just got on the road.
Hey.
Okay. We go. Oh, quit running into me. What are you doing?
He's walking himself.
He's a pain in the butt.
We're not done.
Come on. What are you doing? Lazy dog, you're the one that should have all the energy.
Oh boy. Just so weird.
Yeah. Leave him be.
Precious.
Leave him be. You want to stop nicely.
Hi! Let's drive by my BFF Caitlin's house. Trimming the tree.
You can pick up branches, make a nice pile.
20% pay cut.
I wonder
Fun times.
his he said he was telling me. Right here, too tight, right.
What are they doing?
It's a little went in there and he died. But now look at your left side. It needs to look like that.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I am making little homemade pizzas on a flatbread I bought at Aldi. I'm kind of just putting whatever we have available on them. Normally we put pepperoni on, but I don't have any, so we're gonna do, I have pizza sauce on there. I have a little bit of tomatoes. I have cheese, obviously, and then we have some onion, which is my favorite pizza topping. We have jalapenos, which are for Matt primarily, and then we have bacon because it wasn't frozen, so I cooked some. It's turkey bacon though, so it's kind of, you know, a little healthier, a little chewier, whatever. All right, ready to go in the oven. That's 1 and 2, baby. Delicious.
Professional, so we didn't record an outro for yesterday's video. I'm about to go edit it. So consider this your outro. outro.
Bye.
Later.